my God. You didn't even fake it. Wow.
Ooh la la, baby.
Ooh la la. Yeah.
Kim, Connecticut. My husband gave me this as a gift. It was on my bucket list to do for myself after raising 4 children. It's our anniversary weekend. It'll be 34 tomorrow.
What are you doing, Christopher? Well, my first thought is cooler, summer. I didn't like this one as much as I like this.
Yeah.
I think this is probably a good palette of colors for you.
I'm going to let him work his magic. Ready to go out on the town with my husband.
Wow, I like the coloring.
He works magic. He really
Well, he
does.
had a great thing to work with.
Yeah, you're too sweet. You're too sweet.
Situation's always there.
This is all her natural wave that we held with, we supported with pin curls in a way. And we're talking about if she wanted to feel more finished, she could use Velcro rollers or round brush it out a little bit, but it doesn't make sense to straighten it all out when you've got that body.
I can't wait to see the after. I'm not happy with the present. Take a deep breath and a new, refreshing start. Oh, my husband that made it all happen.
No,
Careful, don't miss
the
it.
beauty was always there. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I don't want to blind anybody, you know.
Adorable girl.
She
Yeah.
deserved it, absolutely.
Oh, darling.